There was a witch on TikTok who got on here and said that one way that she gets people in her will so that she can cast spells on them or do whatever she needs to do, she would make them angry. Because once they were angry, she said that their defenses were laid down and they have opened up a portal for other things to enter inside of them. This is why I do not allow people to take me to a place and open me up by the words that come out of my mouth. This is why it is important to pause and think before you react, before you say words to other people. The words don't have power until you give them power through the power of your tongue. The word, the Bible in itself, is activated. It works through the power of our tongue by using life. So I dare not take my mouth and my tongue and say something that is completely against what the word of God is telling me to do. And even if I did, I'm immediately asking for forgiveness, because I open myself up to be attacked by whatever is going on in that situation, those energies or whatever the other person is saying. I open myself up. I let the enemy use that person to open me up. You never know who is participating in witchcraft or, doing things that are not of God, where God is the source. And you never know who the enemy is using willingly without them even knowing it.